y'all, Brittany here, aka Teeth and Tendrils. If you are an OG member of the TNT Fam, hey boo, I missed you. And if you're new, welcome. So nice to have you here. All you gotta do to be a member of the TNT Fam is follow me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel because she's gonna have you looking cute for the summer, the fall, the winter, the spring, forever. Okay? And we're gonna have fun while we're doing it. So go ahead and subscribe, and yeah. So TNT Fam, I think it's safe to say that summer is here and your girl has been waiting, okay? So I wanted to do something a little different for y'all. I'm going to be showing you my favorite summer lippies. Now these are lipsticks, lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, satin, matte, all that good stuff that is just gonna keep you looking good in this summer, okay? And aside from a bomb highlighter, one of my favorite parts of a makeup look is a good bold lip. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you some of my favorites for this summer. So first I'm gonna start off with a gloss. Now you ain't always gotta have a bold poppin' lip color. You know, sometimes a good gloss will do. So my gloss for this summer is this Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Social Butterfly, and it's endorsed by Jordan Woods. Now I love me some Jordan Woods. I like thick Jordan better than skinny Jordan, but you know, that's a whole nother video. Anyway, I love this gloss. It's kind of similar to Rihanna's Gloss Bomb, I ain't gonna lie, but to me it has a lot more sparkle, a lot more shine, and if you haven't noticed, I'm a little extra, so I'll take a little extra glitter, a little extra pizzazz any day. Goodie from Too Faced. This is the Melted Liquified Longwear Lipstick in the shade Melted Melon. Now, this is an OG fave of mine for this summertime, and I just love that it's legit an orange melony color. My only caveat with this is that you've got to put maybe a couple layers just to really get that pop, but it feels great on my lips, and this color just ain't out there a lot, okay? So yeah, watch this. On the list is the lip bar, and if you are one of my Instagram babes, y'all know that I am whole obsessed with the lip bar. It is a vegan, cruelty-free brand that is headed by a black woman that, you know, Shark Tank tried to tell her nah. She was like, no sis, I got something for that. I'm so in love with Melissa's perseverance. Her story in and of itself is just inspiring. In addition to the fact that these lippies are just bomb. Like the formula, the packaging, the applicator, I'm just in love and obsessed. So this is the latest shade from them. It's called Hot Mama. It is a bright red, and even though it's a bright summertime fine red, I love that it's still classy enough and professional enough to wear pretty much anywhere. You can wear this to work. I wore it to a wedding recently. Yeah, this red is just it. I'm super excited to show y'all this. Of mine from the lip bar. Now this one's called Prom Queen, and this is a new shade from them as well. I love that this is a fuchsia type purpley funny color, and another thing that I love about the lip bar, if I haven't mentioned it already, is that their shades just pretty much complement everybody. Light skin, dark skin, Asian, white women. Did y'all catch that? Dark skin, light skin, Asian and white women. But seriously, I've legit seen this on all skin tones and it looks fabulous, and I'm just obsessed and in love with the lip bar. y'all is from Kylie Cosmetics and it is called Wicked. It is a purple, like a purple. And Kylie is one of those other individuals where you can say what you want, but her lippies are popping. I love that they come with a corresponding lip pencil, and this color is just so fun. So here goes. Ooh, and it smells like vanilla sweet. Yeah, love that. Now, let me keep it 100. I'm probably ain't gonna wear this every day or every other day, but I do think it's fun to have in the arsenal. Anyway, that's all that I got for now. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know down below which is your favorite color out of these, and also let me know which summer lippies you're trying. I'm definitely open to, adding more to the arsenal. Yeah, summer's here, and I just can't wait. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was super fun to create. Let me know if you want more of these, and until next time, make sure you're following me on social media at TNTFAM, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.